Hey, glad you're here. Let me quickly show you how Incense works and how it can support your brand. Insense is a powerful marketplace built for D2C brands and mobile apps to access authentic, high-quality content and amplify it across paid social channels. We have a network of over 20,000 active content creators on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Our easy-to-use filters let you sort creators by age, categories, interests, and much more. You're sure to find the ideal match for your brand and campaign goals. And no worries, every creator is thoroughly vetted by our team before approval. Here's how to get started. Just click and set up your creative brief in minutes. You can choose if creators post the content themselves or simply send it to you. Either way, you get full digital rights to the content forever. For Facebook and Instagram, you can also use the influencer's handle to run whitelisted or dark posted ads. You can even set a price cap per creative if you prefer. Simply describe the kind of content you want, formats, number of assets, key talking points, and more. You can request ready-to-use creatives or raw footage your team can edit later. This might include unboxing videos, testimonials, product demos, and product shots to expand your creative library and refresh your ads. Our customer success team is here to support and guide you throughout the process. As your campaign moves forward, our team shares insights on strong briefs and the latest content trends. Once your brief goes live, creators apply directly to you. You can review their profiles and chat with them right on our platform. Select the ones you like, and they'll begin creating custom content for your brand. It usually takes around 5 to 10 days. Insense also secures your payment and only releases it after you've received and approved the final content. That's all there is to it. You're ready to dive in and get started, and check the link below.